Hi, I'm Lenny, and this is
Watson.
And we're Watson Tax Services. We provide tax preparation, bookkeeping services to businesses and individuals in an honest and transparent environment. Here at Watson Tax Services,
We help people. We help them feel inspired. We help them to be professional, and we with our affordability and our professionalism, we more than satisfy their needs, their tax needs, and their business tax needs. And we're here for any help throughout the year, all year long. You call us at 954-440-3669, and we'll be open to help you at any tax needs you have. Just give us a call. Watson or Lenny will be able to help you. Thank you.
All right.
Watson Tax Services, located at 125 West Sunrise Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 33311. Our phone number, 954-440-3669. Thank you.
Yeah. But anyway, I knew I needed professionals, and that's what I have now in Watson Tax Services. And I just want to say, if there's other people out there like me, and I know it is, people who've never filed for taxes, like I said, my first time was last year. So this year is going to be the second time that I've ever filed for taxes in my life. And I don't really know if that's a good or bad thing. I think it's a little bit of both. Because one downside or con of it, I'll say this, is that I'm not gonna get a check when everybody else get their checks, when everybody get their money back and everybody going to kick it and have all this fun and do all this stuff and buy all this stuff. I don't get money back during that time, so I kind of hate that, you know. But the downside, another con of it is you can end up owing, like I did the very first time I filed. Now I owe the IRS over $3,000. So yeah, I owe them, guys. And the thing is, if you're not careful, the IRS will rip you off. They'll rip you off, honey, because yeah, I end up owing like over $3,000. And I know it was actually over $3,300, and I know that I've made at least 6 payments, but they got me down for paying, you know, that I owe $3,300 still. And I know I've made at least 6 payments, y'all. I got on the payment program while living here. So, you know, and I have my paperwork, you know, around here. You know, but it's just that it's still too late, I feel, because I already owe. So, yeah. And it could be because I just didn't know what the hell I was doing. You know, the person that did file for me, he didn't file under the 1099 form. I don't really know. I don't think he did. Yeah, it's all frustrating. It's very stressful. And I'm really just making this video to, you know, so that other people can know that if you're going through it, just know that I am too. So you're not alone. And don't feel bad, you know, because there's a lot of hustlers out here who never paid taxes before. And yeah, guys, you know, it's pros and cons to it. Of course, the pro is you get all your money. You ain't get it tax-free, you know, cash. But the con is, you know, you ended up owing or other issues. So you got to do the right thing for yourself. And if you don't know what to do, like I didn't, you go to someone that can help you, okay? And that's what I did. So far, I'm very satisfied with, you know, the work that's been done for me at Watson Tax Service. You guys know that I'm not the type of person, because, honey, this ain't no paid video. I'm telling y'all this because the couple things that they have helped me with already has been very significant. You know, it's just to the point where I'm waiting for certain information to come back, which means that it's out of their hands. They did their part. So now I'm just waiting for the information to come back and then we can proceed. But all I know is that, you know, these people have helped me in a huge way.